Hello, good morning guys! This is Amazing Grace and welcome back to my channel. No intro na para wala nang si PR si Lolo. Anyway, so ayan, ang ganda ng panahon but maputi na yung paligid. Not so much actually. So it's been snowing. And yan, tingnan nyo ang aming palibot at ang daan. But it will melt pa naman. So, this is just a temporary. I will wait until it becomes thick and then it's nice to walk on the snow. But you see guys, nag-snow pa rin siya but not much na. Yan. Good morning. Yan, pasok na ako. Lamig. Diba? Naka-blue. Wala pa masyado kasi hindi pa naman nakikitang maraming snow sa bundok. Pag once na maputi na yung bundok na yan, ibig sabihin marami talaga ang snow na bumabagsak. It's snowing. Puti na yung paligid namin. Ayan, nag-snow pa rin. Oops! Anba is waiting.